Okay. 1, 2. Wait, this is called the Finnegan Cupcake Race.
Oh. What a cheater!
I know. I'll give you 20 seconds advantage. I'm not gonna go.
Should be.
All right, 20 seconds. 20 seconds. I'll count.
Okay.
1,
2, 3, 20.
Oh, you can use your hand.
19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14.
Oh my God,
13, 12. You know what? I might as well not even. I'm just gonna start because I've already finished.
Stop laughing. It's hard to swallow.
Ew, sick. Oh, that's my phone. Whatever.
No!
Ew, you sicko.
I can't finish it. Me.
First place, yeah.
I'll go second place. I'm like the loser. Ow. Victory is mine. I'm fifth place. Because you're eat fast. You got the whole thing like in one bite. I couldn't do it. I'm laughing. Winner! Second place. Third. Fourth. Last place!
Save the best for last. What?